My name is Duke England, and I am proud to be here in my hometown with my friends. There's old friends and new friends and even a diesel. Through bad times and good times, it's true friendship we share. So I'm in a place where everyone knows my happy smokebox face. This is the Duke England Show. Sounds like our third number 2 is back. What do you mean third number 2? Well, we actually had 2 other number 2s before Bertram. Smudger and Proteus. Duke, whatever happened to Proteus? Oh, hello, Bertram. You look very nice. You look almost identical to me. Yeah, we're brothers, and they ended up just rebelling me to be a tender engine. Well, what happened to Proteus? No one really knows. One day, he took a train to the whatever's past the old iron bridge, and we ended up never seeing him again. I say we should go look for him. You coming, Duke? Sure, might as well. Oh, I'm going to come too. Wait for me, guys. I haven't been here in a while. I agree, Duke. I also think we should have Sir Handel go over and take a look. What? You and Proteus are brothers, aren't you? Okay, that checks out. I'll go take a peek over there. Guys, there's a missing piece in the bridge. Hello, brother. If I can even call you that. What do you mean? You don't remember? When I didn't return, none of you cared to come look for me. None of you. Not even my own brother. About that. And for that, you guys must pay. Thank you for leaving me, guys. I'm sorry, we just didn't know what would happen. How about this? I'll go take a peek and see where Proteus is. Okay, guys, he just passed us. You sure about that? Hello again. Don't even think about moving. I've put locks on your wheels. You can't move anymore. Oh, yes, I can! Did you seriously think that would do anything to me? Ha ha. Take that, you spiteful specter. Oh, fish and chips. Alright, we need to defeat Proteus once and for all. How do we do that? Well, how did he die? We don't really know. There's a missing piece in the bridge. I think we can assume he fell with the bridge into the water. Okay, that's good. Let's make a plan to try to lure him to the bridge so that we can push him off again. How do you know that will kill him? My old manager believed ghosts were real, which, I guess they are. He told me that the only way to kill a ghost was to recreate how they died. So in this case, making him fall into the water below the bridge. All right then, well, let's think of a plan. Proteus, come here. You're just making it easy. Oh, that was quick. Oh, I see you, Sir Handel. I'll get you! Oh no! Let's go! We killed my brother! Okay, that doesn't really sound so good. I'm glad this is all over with. We should probably go back to the sheds and get a good night's rest. Soon, the engines of the mid-sonar would know that tomorrow would be the start of a new era.